Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken race in King Legacy. First, you need to locate and defeat the powerful Kraken boss. This formidable sea creature drops a crucial item, the Kraken heart. Once you have the heart, you'll take it to a special non-player character who can perform the race transformation for you. This process is straightforward but requires preparation and a strong character. To defeat the Kraken, you'll need to be well prepared. The Kraken boss typically spawns in the open sea, so a fast boat is essential for finding it. Equip your best fruit or sword and ensure your defense stats are high enough to withstand its attacks. Many players find it much easier to team up with one or two friends, as this significantly increases your damage output and survivability against the boss. Once the Kraken is defeated, make sure to collect the Kraken heart from its drops. This item is key to unlocking the race. Next, you need to find the race changer non-player character. This NPC is usually located on a specific island within the game world. Approach the race changer and interact with them, presenting the Kraken heart to initiate the transformation into the powerful Kraken race. It's a simple exchange. The Kraken race provides significant advantages, including a substantial boost to your overall health and increased resistance to various types of damage. You'll also gain access to unique water-based abilities, enhancing your movement and combat in aquatic environments. This race is excellent for both player versus player combat and boss farming. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books on the go, offering a crisp display and long battery life for endless reading adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.